Victoria is trialling bike racks on buses. Here's a short video on how to use them. 1. Turn up early to the bus stop. 2. Remove any panniers, water bottles, or other loose items from your bike. 3. Hail the bus and get permission from your driver to use the bike rack. 4. If the bike rack is not in use, simply squeeze the latch handle to unlock the rack and fold it down. Place your bike in the rack closest to the front of the bus. Make sure your front wheel faces the yellow locking bar and push the bike as far forward as possible. Pull the yellow locking bar out and raise it to the top of the wheel. 5. Enter the bus and validate your ticket as normal. 6. When exiting the bus, exit through the front door and let the driver know you are going to take off your bike. 7. Securing your bike with one hand, lift and lower the yellow locking bar off the wheel. Remove your bike from the rack and towards the curb. If there are no other bikes on the rack, squeeze the latch handle and fold the bike rack to the stowed position. 8. If there is a bike stowed in the front of the rack, load your bike from the curb. Ensure the rear wheel is placed on the rack first and then roll your bike into position. Lift and position the yellow locking bar over the wheel. 9. To remove your bike, approach the bike from the curb. Grip the bike and lift and lower the yellow locking bar off the wheel. Roll the bike forward and remove it from the rack. Signal the driver when you are finished. We're keen to know what you think of the trial. Go to ptv.vic.gov.au/busyourbike for more information. This is a 12-month trial run by Moreland Bus, South Coast Bus, Whitmore's Bus Lines, Bus Association Victoria, Public Transport Victoria and Vic Roads.